a sneaking mission. Hide behind stuff. Take the long way around.
What was that?
Whatever it takes to stay out of sight. Your gun is a last resort. It could just as easily kill you as save. Looks like you're inside the compound. Security is tight. Stay sharp.
Is somebody there? Footsteps!
Yes, sir, we broke them. We acquired the whereabouts of target 500.
Acknowledged. Spears are loaded. The barge is cleared Point Bravo.
Acknowledged. Out.
Freeze! The cargo, where's it headed? What is it?
Air suit! In the mountains!
What's up there?